Question number 8. A weight W is tied to a trolley of mass M. This is mass M, this is the weight W. Okay, the moment you say weight W, what does it mean? The mass is nothing but W divided by G. Why? Because we know mg is equal to W, right? So let us be careful about it, because you see there is no mass given here, so we are writing it like this, right? Then frictionless pulley trolley has an acceleration A on the table. The acceleration due to gravity is G. What is W? So what we need to do is the starting point is that just draw the free body diagram, you get something there, right? So therefore, what is the free body diagram for this object? This should be W itself and this should be T here. Though usually we write mg, right? Here I am writing mg as W, so I will just write like this. So I can write W minus T is equal to mass M. What is this mass M? The mass of this triangle here, okay? M into A. But this M, I already know it's W by G. So what I will do is I will write this as W by G into A. First equation. The second equation, here the same tension acts over here. So as a result of it, now what we have, we can now write T is equal to capital M into A, because if this moves with an acceleration A, this should also move with an acceleration A. Now this is your equation number 2. Add up these two. When I add up these two, what do we get? W minus T plus T should be equal to W by G into A plus M into A, which should be equal to W by G plus M whole multiplied by A. What do I need now? I need the value of W. Oh my god, this is not sufficient for me. I want this one, right? So this, I'll cancel this. So now I will bring this one on the other side. I will take W common. W minus W A divided by G is equal to capital M into A, which means W into 1 minus A by G is equal to MA, or I can now write W into G minus A divided by G is equal to capital M into A, which means, what do I write? I want W, which would be MAG divided by Maggie divided by G minus A, right? Which is the right option? A is the right option. Okay, let us move on to the next question.